Very good morning, dear children. In our previous period, we already learned that we go to the school by using different vehicles, right? Like bicycles, scooter, cars, vans, school buses, or walking, right? That is depends on the distance we live from the school. If we are living nearby from the school, then we can walk. If little far, then we can use the bicycles. If more far, then we come by auto rickshaw or school vans, right? And if so far, then might be our parents are dropping us or school buses are coming to us to take, right? Okay, now we have seen that on the roads we travel by the different vehicles, but what about them, those who are living on the hilly areas or in the areas where water is there everywhere, right? So how do they travel through the that water up to the school, right? So they use boats, okay? Then they have bridges. Either they can go by walking from the bridge or they use any light vehicles, okay? Either ropeway, this way, right? It's one kind of ropeway. They just sit and the another person or machine will be there at the opposite side that will be pull, right? Or this way, okay? So or this is, it is raw bridge, we can say. We can walk on this and cross the river, right? So we have seen that in the hilly regions or the watery regions where people live, at there children, they travel through the different means of transport, like they cross the bridge by walking, okay? Or this kind of boxes they made and they have to stand, and other side the person will pull them, okay? Either this way, either they will need to cross the bridge or through the boat, okay? Now you might be wonder how these bridges are made, right? See, this is also one kind of boat. Children do travel up to the school, right? Now a bridge can be built over water, on water, right? If we need to cross that water area, then we need a bridge, okay? On road also, between two mountains, if you want to reach to the other mountain, right? Then also a bridge can be built, and all of the above. Now bridges can be made up of iron, cement, bamboo, rope, all of the above, right? Now let me show you the iron bridge. Okay, this bridge is made up of iron and cement, okay? And iron rods, cement is used, okay? Now what is the next was bamboo, okay? Bamboo and rope. So let me show you. See, this is the bridge. It's a very raw bridge, okay? It can be break anytime, fine? So this is made up of bamboo, alright? And ropes are also used to tie it, okay? Even here rope is used. Let me show, see, right? Okay, so now we have seen land transport, water transport. Now air transport is left, but that we will see afterwards. Let's start our chapter first today. Okay, what is our chapter 1? That is, let's go to school every day. You come to school every day, right? No doubt nowadays we are not going to school due to pandemic, but when the situation was good, we used to go school every day. All come to school in different way, that we know. Some by walk, some come by a rickshaw or on a bicycle or on a scooter. Likewise, all have to come to the school in their own ways, but it is not the same at every place. At many places going to school is very challenging, as we have talked previously, that where there is a water everywhere or the hilly region, they might have to come to the school by ropeway, yeah, using that raw bridges, and that's too risky. Fine, let's meet some children and know how they reach to the school. Okay, see the picture. It is a picture of auto rickshaw and something written over there. We live in Ahmedabad city. School is very far from home, so we cannot easily go to school. We use auto rickshaw to attend the school. Okay, now the question is, how do you go to the school? Okay, so you'll need to write answer over here in your textbook on very first page, that how do you go to school. Okay, now the next is cement bridge. We are living on either side of the river. Bridge is built over the river. We go to school by crossing this bridge, and this bridge is made up of cement, bricks and iron rods, and bridge has stairs too. Okay, other children are telling they are living on the either side of river, so to reach to the school they have to cross that bridge, and bridge is made up of what? Three things. Which three things? Cement, bricks and iron rods. Okay, and bridge has stairs too. Is there a bridge near your village or city? If yes, then get that information about that bridge. Okay.